Alright everybody, this is the dam with the waterfall. Isn't that's gorgeous? Yeah, that is right there, but
Snoqualmie Falls.
me and Coyotes decided that we want to go down there and catch fish.
I'm looking for gold.
And Jeffrey, I bet you can find some gold in that. But the camera doesn't do it any justice. I'm gonna zoom in as close as I can. And I think that's about it. But all the way up from here, without the ripples, you can see the bottom.
There's somebody swimming.
And look, somebody's swimming.
That'll give you a size comparison.
Right there, somebody's swimming.
I couldn't make it down there.
See, all the way back here from where we're at, you can't even see him hardly.
Going down there.
That one's dangerous. That one's
And it goes out like this and comes back around real sharp. So,
Matthew or Cassidy or whatever.
and this is what it looks like when it's at full flow.
Late enough, she shouldn't be in class, but early enough if she's going out tonight. Oh, there's that too. But I was also thinking if you...
Check out that. This is a turbine from the power plant. I believe it's all brass. Look how clear this is, and you can see.
Goat trash.
There's a duck. And of course, Coyote's talking to it. But you can see the current right out here. And the rapids are right up yonder. Can't hear them over here, but yep.
Yoderson, get the ducky.
Get that ducky. Yours. You get that ducky.
I was going to till the water got too deep. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Dingo. Come here.
Check this view out. You can see all the way to the bottom. And that's probably about 6 foot deep right there in the middle. If I had to guess. Oh, there's a fish. You see that dark spot right there? There's a fish. He just went back down. Hey Jeffrey, I bet there's some gold right there.
Right there, there's a big one right there.
Yeah, I seen one come up when I was over there.
There's one over here next to the logs. There's one right there, there's one right there. There's one right there, there's one right there. It's right under me. I wish I had my fly rod here.
A big one came up. You see that log?
Uh-huh. My other suggestion for you is either go down to the bank right here,
not like being out
and, or either go to those rocks and throw across and let it roll on them.
I think maybe
All right, I'm gonna try to put my glasses over this so you can see these two fish. It's not working. See the two dark, actually 3 dark spots right there underneath me? That's 2 or 3 trout. All right, I'm gonna record this because there's a fish right there in front of me. I seen him come up just a minute ago. But you can't see them unless they come up and move. So I'm gonna hold my phone recording right here. I mean, my GoPro, sorry. And see if he comes up. Or at least turns his belly so you can see. And I'll probably end up having to chop most of this out because it's just B-roll. And when Coyote gets back, he went to go put the dogs in the truck and grab his fly rod. So we'll be getting a little bit of footage of that. Oh, did you see him?
Oh, yeah.
That little black spot right there in the center is a trout. Oh, there's 2 of them.
There you go.
Now, just so everybody knows, this is a mule deer blacktail cross.
It was a mix, yes.
It's a mutt.
And
They don't happen, right? That's what they
Jerry's
say.
messing with
That's
you.
what they say.
There it
Evidently
is.
they do because there it is right there.
Yep.
So
That is your mule deer and blacktail deer.
Yep.
Look at those beams.
and I hear my big dog outside barking. She's
Yeah.
gonna put him outside, but there's a dog that's big enough for me.
Juma Juma. She's right up there.
Yep.
Can't see her.
So at the end of this video, I will.
Uh-oh.
Juma Juma.
Oh, he went out the other way.
Uh-oh.
There we go.
There's Juma. A big dog for a big man.
Look, I don't have to bend over to pet him.
Right? Sniff, sniff, sniff. Happy.
And he's sniffing them because of her. But, all right.
I just got to point out something. I think I figured out what's wrong with Coyote. The aliens are here. I think he got probed or something by the aliens because he crazy.
Just a little bit.
Y'all see it? It's a black-tailed deer.
Mule deer.
Mule deer.
Mule deer. Female.
I seen my first mule deer.
I think I just heard a bobcat.
There's another deer over there. But just so y'all know, I am at Coyote's camp for where he hunts. This is cool, of course. And he gives me the red light. And I'm not used to seeing stuff with the red light. So I can see the eyes and stuff.
There's a deer there. There's a deer
There's something.
there. Right there.
Something just took off right over there.
That's Yoder's.
No, over there.
Yeah, that was a deer right there.
No, over there.
Over here?
On the other side of that other tree.
That's Yoder's.
No, over there. Straight behind Yoder's.
Oh, right there. On top of the hill. There's a deer. Meh. Meh. I've seen 4 deer now. Because there's one over there. There's one that ran right there. There's one going up there. And there's one. Hear that screaming? That's a bobcat.
All right, Coyote's gonna give us a tour. If you don't get distracted by the bobcat making a noise.
This is my table that I made. This is my animal hanger. And,
Right there's what's left of his fire pit.
I used to put my camper right here.
Right there's where he puts his camper.
And my truck would be sitting over there. And my side-by-side sits right in here. And I usually sit right here. And my turkey and deer come all right there. There's some more eyes right there. There's deer right there. 2 deer side by side. Come this side. They're right behind that tree. Meh.
There's mule deer all over this. There's at least 6 of them that we've seen so far.
I think we're actually at 8.
I said that we've seen for sure.
But yeah, I can't get my camper in here now.